Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your amateur YouTuber as always, Jude Joshua. So I've been staying in Calgary for almost 2 years now, and I decided to take the train. In today's video, I'll be telling you everything I know about Calgary train, C-train, LRT, too many names. Anyways, I hope you enjoy this one.
In Calgary 11 years.
The Calgary C-train is not as complicated as the train in England, Hong Kong, Singapore, Sydney, or even Ontario, but it has about 45 stations covering about 60 kilometers. It began operation in 1981, yes, way before I was born, and it's operated by the Calgary Transit. Before the pandemic, about 45% of workers in downtown Calgary take the train to work.
We got everything we need.
As of the time of making this video, the C-train has two routes. The Red Line, also known as 201, also known as Tuscany, Somerset, and Bridlewood. I know. And the Blue Line, also known as 202, also known as Saddletown. The Red Line serves the southern and northwestern areas of the city, while the Blue Line serves the northeastern and western section of the city. Wow, the city of Calgary did an amazing job with the Train app. It's your one-stop shop for managing and buying your ticket directly on your phone. Just remember to download it on your phone. There are also ticket machines located on most C-trains. Simply touch the screen to begin, select the type of ticket, and pay in whatever way is convenient for you, including Shiba and Bitcoin cryptocurrency. Nah, that's a lie. Anyways, unlike most countries, the city train charges based on time rather than distance or moving across zones. Each ticket lasts for 90 minutes. A single adult ticket 18 years and older will set you back $3.50. For youth 6 to 17 years, that is $2.40. Children ages 5 and under is free. Thank you, Calgary Transit. Adult day pass is $11 and the monthly pass is $109. It's also important for me to mention that dogs are welcome on board for free. Imagine having to buy an adult ticket for your dog. Other animals can also ride for free, but they must be in a carrier. Talk about special treatment for man's best friend. I'm looking at you cat lovers. Discounted price is also available for low-income earners and seniors. Well, if you're old like me with a fish brain, you definitely appreciate the zero complexity the Calgary platform provides. We have just two platforms, city inbound or outbound, or platform on the right or platform on the left. No underground puzzles to solve or platform 3/4 to go to Hogwarts. I'm watching you, London. The platform has giant tiny 42-inch screens showing the estimated time of arrivals for the train. Yes, I measured them. There are also clear, noisy speakers for announcement. Just pay attention. Now, I did take the train on a Sunday, and I found the wait time to be between 10 to 15 minutes. However, Calgary Transit has a time as 4 to 7 minutes during peak hours and 10 to 15 minutes for off-peak hours and nights, including weekends. There are seats and standing areas in the train. You will need to press a button to enter or exit the train. And always remember the priority seating. Stand up for the elderly, pregnant women, and anyone with disability or needs. The train operates from 4 a.m. to 1 a.m. Yes, free zone. The zero-free zone is between 8th Street and City Hall. You do not need a ticket to board the train. Simply hop on and off. It offers a convenient way to see the city. Thank you, Calgary. Calgary Transit offers a program called Park and Ride, an initiative to encourage Calgarians to park their car at the station and take the train. Most park and ride stations offer disability parking, 4-hour parking, free parking, and reserved parking. Reserved parking is only applicable on Monday to Friday between 2 o'clock in the morning to 10 o'clock in the morning and costs about $85 a month. I will include a registration link in the description below. So I actually wanted to use my 3-year-old son as the actor for this video, but he told me to stop recording.
Don't take a photo of me.
Anyways, his replacement Max only agreed to be in the video if I decide to show his sexy Canadian ass. So here's to your ass, Max, and thank you for being my actor. I think in all, the train offers a convenient, comfortable way for you to travel around Calgary, as you mean you stay pretty close to a train station or own a car. It also provided an opportunity for me to meet random strangers, talk with people, and get to understand the people that live in the city better. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you again in the next one. Have a good one, guys. Peace.
Really good. Wow.